If your pool smells like a chemical factory exploded, that chlorine smell is probably way too strong and it's driving you nuts. So first off, try lowering how much chlorine you're throwing in the pool. You don't need to go crazy with it, just enough to keep things clean. Then, get some fresh air moving over the water. Like, crank up those fans or open windows if it's an indoor pool. Sunlight helps break down chlorine too, so keep your pool uncovered when possible. Swimmers bringing in sweat and oils can mess with chlorine levels, so make sure everyone showers before jumping in. Also, test your water regularly to keep pH balanced. If it's off, chlorine gets way stronger and smells worse. You can also try switching up to stabilized chlorine products that won't release as much of that harsh smell. Lastly, shock your pool only when needed, not too often, because too much shock equals that overpowering chemical scent. One of the biggest mistakes with pool chlorine smell is using way too much chlorine thinking it'll keep the pool extra clean. Overchlorination just makes the smell unbearable and can irritate skin and eyes. Fix this by sticking to recommended doses and testing your water often. Another common issue is poor aeration. Without fresh air moving around, chlorine fumes hang around and get stronger. Fix that by increasing ventilation or using pool covers that let air flow through. A third problem is ignoring the pH balance. If your water is too acidic or too basic, chlorine gets out of whack and smells worse. Keep that pH between 7.2 and 7.8 for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with more clients and grow their business easily.